It's a 2015 Ford Explorer. The adventure starts where the pavement stops in this capable SUV. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. New car test drive rights. For many years, the Ford Explorer has been one of the best-selling SUVs in the market. A capable tow vehicle and off-roader, the Explorer also offers the generous interior space, comfort features, and safety technologies necessary for day-to-day tasks. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Briarwood Ford has the best deals in the state of Michigan. Briarwood Ford is conveniently located at 7070 East Michigan Avenue in Saline, Michigan.